Hello, friends. Today I'm going to share two big principles that have made people from ordinary level to becoming super rich. Now, if you try to know the secrets of people who have become very rich and start consolidating that secret, you will finally end up with two things. The two things are very magical sentences. Number one, it is not the income that makes you rich. It is the savings that make you rich. Number one. The second mantra is, if you try to save before you spend from the income you draw, that can make you rich. Because your savings consistently built upon a period of time can make you enormously rich. I'll quote you two examples in practical scenario. Number one, the principle was, it is the savings that make you rich and not just the income that you earn. There are many film stars and many celebrities whom I have named in my past videos like A.K. Angal, Raj Kiran, and Parveen Babi and all those people. Even Amitabh Bachchan, for that matter, for a short duration when he went bankrupt. See, all this happened because they did not have a proper savings. They did not have a consistent savings. They did not save before they start spending. This has made them poor. This has made them moneyless or penniless. Had they done their savings consistently before they start taking over the portion of the money for spending, they would not have landed themselves in the position what they would have actually. That is a very important aspect, my dear friends. This is not only true for celebrities, this is true for every person in every walk of life. Because your savings are the ones which start building up unconsciously and becomes compoundingly great number which you yourself cannot imagine at one point of time. For example, I will tell you another small savings. The money which you start saving in an instrument compoundingly over a period of 10 years or 20 years or 25 years, don't track it or don't try to break the investment, but continuously put the investment what you are committed for. Believe me, my dear friends, you will end up getting not less than 1 to 1.5 crores in a span of just 20 to 25 years. It's a fact, my dear friends, not an exaggeration at all. This has practically become true. And what is the amount that makes you consistently save and reach that amount of 1 crore and more than 1 crore? You will have to contact me in the mobile number which I am giving in the description box so that I can help you make rich, make you super rich, and make you enormously rich. My dear friends, at the cost of reputation, learn from the mistakes of others what people do around you. Keep your eyes and ears open because you cannot afford to learn from the mistakes of self because your life is not too long. You have to learn from the mistakes of others. What are the mistakes of others? Others who do not invest and face difficulties in future. Others who spend a lot of money without even savings. Others who do not have financial planning. Others who are not disciplined for savings. If you are able to learn from the experiences of people, maybe your friends or maybe your relatives or maybe anybody around you, you should be smart enough to learn from their mistakes and see that you don't commit the mistakes in your life, and you should be an exception, not only to become rich, but for others to follow you. But for others to learn a lesson from your discipline, from your savings element, and from your principles, what you have laid for becoming rich, super rich, and enormously rich. I hope this is a big lesson in your life, and this could really transform your life into a different paradigm altogether, into a different orbit altogether. So, my dear friends, save before you spend. And it is only the savings that can make you rich, not just your earnings. Your earnings will just be a money which is flowing through you, but you have to pull the savings and put it to yourself, and that is going to grow as a money tree. So with these few words, I would like to end this video, my dear friends. And as I told you, if you want to become super rich, if you want to become enormously rich, please contact me at the mobile number in the description box, and I will help you financially how to plan your finances so that you can become something what you can dream of. Okay? Tell this message to your friends and relatives and subscribe to my channel so that you get more and more important videos like this, and also hit the bell buttons so that You get notifications on my videos when I put it. All the best, happy investing, and looking forward to you becoming super rich.